Hello students, I am Meenakshi Khamkar, Computer Engineering Department from Vidyalankar Polytechnic. Students, now you are preparing for online exam. It is very difficult how to prepare questions like find out output of this program, find error from this program. So for this type of questions, you must be familiar with all the programs. You have executed all the programs. But because of this pandemic situation, it is not possible for all of you to execute all the programs. So how will you answer all these type of questions? So now I am going to execute all the programs so that you will be prepared for final exam. Now we will start with chapter number 3, event handling first. While preparing programs for online exam, you should know some important things from that program which is important for online exam. So now we will see each program one by one from chapter number 3. Chapter number 3 is event handling. First program is button with event handling. Now in this program there are two buttons, yes and no. When I click on this button yes, it is displaying message you pressed yes. If you click on no, the message is you pressed no. Now this concept is called as event handling. Event handling means when you perform any action. In this program we are clicking on this button. So clicking on a button is action. When this event occurs, what action is taken? One message is displayed. You pressed yes or you pressed no. So how to handle these types of event in Java program? We'll see in program for implementing event handling, we require, now I will be explaining the important things according to online exam. Now for event handling, for implementing event handling, we require this package java.awt.event.star. Previous two packages are required only for displaying that AWT components, java.awt.star and java.applet.star. For event handling, we require this package event.star package. Next, for button. Now for event handling, we require some extra things in program. In that first is event handling package. Second is event listeners. Event listeners interfaces. Now there are different event listener interfaces. Action listener, item listener, adjustment listener. For button, there is one listener, that is action listener. For button, we should implement action listener interface. This is second required thing for event handling. First thing is package java.awt.event.star. Second thing is listener, required listener, which is action listener for button. Next is, in this program we are taking two buttons, button B1 and button B2. In init method we have initialized that button B1 and button B2 and its label are yes and no. As we can see in output, there are two buttons, yes and no, we have created. Now we have added these two buttons, add B1, add B2 on applet window. Next, third required thing in event handling program is registration of listener. This line, these two lines are called as registration of listener. It is done by this method, add action listener in bracket this. A is small. Always remember that A is small, method first letter is small, and second word first letter capital, third word first letter capital. Method starts with small letter A, small a. So these are two registration methods, registration of listener methods. So why do we register any event? So we are informing that we are going to click on that two buttons, button B1 and button B2. We are registering events with these two buttons. We are informing that we are going to click on these two buttons through these two lines. Registration means informing. Next, fourth required thing for event handling is method. Method which is handling this code means if you click on yes, it should display you pressed yes. If you click on no, it should display you pressed no. So this output is displayed by method which is action performed method. Now this method is defined in which listener interface. It is defined in action listener interface. That's why we are implementing, we are using this action listener interface. Because ये जो method है action perform method, ये कहाँ पे defined है? This method is defined in which interface? In action listener interface. इसलिए हम लोग ने ये इंटरफेस को इम्प्लीमेंट किया है, ठीक है। और ये जो इंटरफेस है ये कौन से पैकेज में डिफाइंड है? इट इज डिफाइंड बाय दिस पैकेज ए java.awt.event.star. That's why we have imported this package. Okay. So now we'll see that method action perform. In action perform method, we are taking action event class and object name is A. This is important. Now in this method what we are giving, if you click on yes button, if str equals yes, then message will be you pressed yes, this message will be displayed, else you pressed no, this message will be displayed. Okay, and it will be, these messages will be displayed using paint method. Now the important things for online exam are, you should remember which package is required for event handling, which listener is required for button, that is action listener. Third, what these two lines are called as? These two lines are called as registration of listener, and in registration method A is small, add action listener in bracket this. Same thing for button 2. Okay, and which method from action listener we are using? Action performed method, which is handling this output, which is giving you this output, action performed method.